Hi, I'm Chef Dan with FreshPoint, and I have a couple different papayas to talk to you about today. So what can you do with papayas besides eating them as fruit? They're a great meat tenderizer. They have an enzyme known as papain that breaks down protein. In fact, it's commercially used in commercial powdered meat tenderizers. I prefer making it myself at home. Just puree up the flesh, add it to any marinade, a little vinegar, salt, pepper, some herbs, even chilies, and let it sit for an hour or two. It works wonders. So what do you do with all the seeds? Eat them. They've got a membrane around them. Just take the seeds out, rub them between two pieces of paper towel and rupture the membrane. Use them as a substitute for black pepper. They have a nice horseradish type bite. Doesn't last very long, but man, it adds a great flavor to your summer dishes. So are there different types of papayas? Yes and no. They're classified by color. Most of what's grown today are red flesh, which is what we've got here today. Even the large white flesh, well, when it ripens, it'll turn red. But don't let that white flesh fool you. You can make an incredible Thai-inspired salad with it. A little lime juice, some cilantro, some chili peppers, some tomatoes, and a touch of fish sauce, pinch of sugar. You've got the perfect side dish for your summer barbecue. I'm Chef Dan, and fresh things come from FreshPoint.